Assalamu alaikum. My idea is to provide pure water under the name of AquaGreen. As we all know that because of human activities like industrial waste, dumping into water, even leaching of hazardous chemicals from landfills has contaminated our water resources. Drinking polluted water causes many problems, including human health. Water pollution causes 14,000 deaths per day due to contamination of drinking water. By drinking polluted water, it causes diseases like dysentery, typhoid, hepatitis A, and stomach problems, etc. Arsenic in water causes knee pain problems. So, regarding this problem, our team has come up with a solution of purifying water in easy and cheaper way. Just by adding the tablet of cooled active charcoal into water, make it pure up to 75%, while water purifying plants only make it up to 45%. By this treatment, water becomes pure and drinkable. It removes poisons from water as well. 25 to 100 gram of charcoal mixed in water is drinkable. This treatment is better than filtration because filtration plants need it to be replaced. Moreover, charcoal is cheaper and its raw material is very easily available. Thank you.